congratulate Dr. Mahima Bakshi for her online pageant, Birthing Naturally Queen. A pageant for pregnant and new moms where beauty is not decided on the basis of your body size or shape, but on the basis of the beauty of motherhood.
I am Professor Alka Kriptani. I am a gynecologist in Gurgaon, and I wish to congratulate Dr. Mahima Bakshi.
I'm Dr. Pranati Reddy. I'm a gynecologist from Birthright by Rainbow at Hyderabad. Worldwide, about 10% of pregnant women and 13% of new moms suffer from depression. Therefore, as an obstetrician, I'm really very happy and impressed that Dr. Mahima Bakshi is addressing this very important issue of perinatal mental health.
Hello mommies, I'm your consultant Dr. Supriya Puranik. I'm here to invite you to participate a wonderful initiative planned by Dr. Mahima Bakshi.
I'm Dr. Meenu Raj, gynecologist from Meher Hospital, Dehradun. Congratulations, Dr. Mahima, for your initiative on Birthing Naturally Queen.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sheetal Desai, a gynecologist from Vapi, Gujarat. I would like to congratulate Dr. Mahima Bakshi for her initiative, Birthing Naturally Queen.
I'm Dr. Suchitra Pandit, a gynecologist from Mumbai. I wish to congratulate Dr. Mahima Bakshi for her initiative on Birthing Naturally Queen.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kavita Govi, consultant obstetrician, Rainbow Children's Hospital, Marathalli. Birthing Naturally Queen is an online pageant to promote mental wellness.
Hi, I am Dr. Manu Vora. Birthing Naturally Queen is a very good initiative by Dr. Mahima Bakshi.
Hi everyone, this is Akhil Sachdeva, and I really want to congratulate Dr. Mahima Bakshi for her online pageant Birthing Naturally Queen, which is for the pregnant and the new moms, and the beauty is not decided by the size or the shape of their body, but the beauty of motherhood.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Varun Katyal, and I would like to congratulate Dr. Mahima Bakshi for her online pageant Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1.
Jayati Narula, I'd like to send my warm wishes across to Mahima Bakshi for birthing naturally and protecting mental health during maternity. I'm live on air, so I can't talk very loudly, but if you're pregnant or you're a new mom, don't forget to register on www.birthingnaturallyqueen.com.
Hey, what's up? My name is Kay. I host Good Morning Bangalore 94.3 Radio 1, and I wanted to send a little bit of congratulations to Dr. Mahima Bakshi for conducting season 1 of, the Birthing Naturally Queen.
that was the virtual fashion show of the top 20 contestants of Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1, spreading smiles from pregnancy to motherhood. So this initiative is all about promoting maternal mental health awareness, especially in this pandemic where it is so important for mothers to take care of their mental health, especially during pregnancy and post-delivery. So Birthing Naturally Queen is all about celebrating the beauty of motherhood, especially during the 1000 days of the perinatal period. So I would also like to thank all my co-partners, my media partner, Women's Era, my hygiene partner, 9 India, my gift partner, Fiyama by ITC, my mental health partner, Emotionally, my fashion partner, Mom's Joy, and my beauty partner, Palmer's, my smile partner, Clove Dental India, and my knowledge partner, of course, Birthing Naturally, the book. So I would like to thank all my co-partners for supporting me for this initiative and for encouraging me to do something which has never been done before, especially in India. So it gives me immense pride to share with you all that Birthing Naturally Queen is India's biggest online pageant for pregnancy and motherhood, especially to be promoting awareness on maternal mental health. I would now like to welcome my guest of honor, Tega Okoro, joining us all the way from Nigeria, who is my Birthing Naturally Queen ambassador for Season 2. It gives me immense pride in announcing Season 2 as the African chapter, which would be to promote maternal mental health awareness in Africa. Hi, Tega. Tega has joined in from Nigeria, and now hi Tega, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
And she has a 2-month-old baby. And she's also the chairperson of Ladies of All Nations International, an organization that works on promoting women empowerment in Africa. I would now like to hand over the session to my co-host, Sachin Khurana.
Thank you so much, Mahima. And it is no doubt the most amazing initiative I've seen till date. And firstly, I would like to congratulate all the fantastic contestants today. They looked amazing on the ramp. I think nobody's done this ever before. And you guys were so confident and, you're spreading smiles from, pregnancy to motherhood in a beautiful way. A big round of applause, please, guys, for everybody. Yes, for all of you, let's have a big round of applause for each other, for being there, being a part of this contest and having such a blast over it. I think that's the most amazing thing. Have fun, enjoy it. Jitna harna to chalta rehta hai na? Great. We also would like to ask the jury questions from these fantastic contestants. Our esteemed jury is Mrs. Aditi Goetrikar, Dr. Ali. I think has Piyush joined us, Mahima?
Not yet. He'll take another 5 minutes.
Okay, that's fine. And Mahima herself. So I would like to ask Aditi to ask a question from Manukriti. So, whatever you would like to ask. Aditi? Ladies and gentlemen, these were our top 20 finalists for the evening. A big, big round of applause for all of them. You looked lovely. You spoke so well. And we are so glad to have you with us today. Big, big round of applause for all of you. Thank you. All right, we've got fantastic answers. So till the time the jury decides who is going to win the sub-contest and be the face of the evening tonight, we have a fabulous singer. In fact, she's one of the best and one of my favorite singers. Her name is Shibani Kashyap. Beautiful voice, stunning. She is here with us singing a beautiful song for all you lovely women.
Shibani Kashyap. As we all know that maternal mental health is of utmost concern, especially during these COVID times, pre-delivery and post-delivery. Well, to all the mummies to be, to all the mothers who just delivered their little babies, it's Dr. Mahima Bakshi's Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1. And I'd like to say as a singer, music has such a wonderful effect on your hormones. It gives you happy hormones. So when you're pregnant, listen to good music. When you deliver your baby, then also listen to good music. It will really, really help you. So I'm going to dedicate my song Sajna Avija especially for all you lovely women. Sajna Avija, Sajna Avija, Sajna Avija. All the very best and congratulations to Naturally Birthing Queen Season 1.
Thank you, Shibani. Thank you so much for the lovely message that you just sent across to us. And this is actually one of my favorite songs. I'm sure everybody's heard this song before. Whoever has, please raise a hand. I think most of our double hands have also gone up. They've heard it a lot of times. Even Piyush has heard the song. I think it's one of the most beautiful, soulful songs that we've had in the recent past. All right, okay. In fact, now that we've got all the scores from all the jury members and the final scoring is going on now, and I wish everybody all the best. I think everybody spoke so well. It's going to be a very tight fight, to figure out, because you are looking gorgeous tonight, all of you. If I get to choose, I'll be stumped and clean bowled completely for that matter. Oh. Especially Piyush, if you bowl to me, I'll just run away completely.
Now the time has changed. Nobody wants to come to see bold and stumps. Everybody wants to see fours and sixes now.
Exactly, especially the T20 matches these days.
100%, 100%.
In fact, I think Birthing Naturally will take all the energy and take all the knowledge of being a great mother to Africa and get mothers from there. It'll be so interesting to see how African mothers are coping with pregnancies, because I think there are a lot of challenges there as well, especially in Nigeria and other countries. So I would ask Tega is here with us from Africa. Tega, hi. Are you there?
Hi, yeah, I'm here.
Oh, lovely. You're looking gorgeous today, Tega.
Thank you very much, Sachin.
Yeah, I wanted
And
to, how
what?
excited are you about the contest going to Africa next year?
I'm so excited about it. In fact, I'm looking forward to it, and we've started behind the scenes activities ready to get it working by next year. And I really hope it's going to be far more than what we have now, because we want the season 2 to be better than the season 1, and season 3 better than season 2. So we're looking forward to have a better event next year, and having more participants if possible. Thank you
Okay.
very much. Thank you.
Okay, Dr. Aditi Govind, are you there? Dr. Aditi?
I'm here. I'm here. Hi.
Yes, hi. So good to see you after so long. I think the last time we met last time in Delhi when you were a part of a pageant as well.
Yes, absolutely.
Great. In fact, you are a mother as well. I think you have 2 kids, right?
I have 2 children, yes.
How old are they now?
Well, my daughter's 20 and my son is 13.
20. I don't believe that. You must be lying.
That's because I had them very young. So I'm like, okay, now I'm over and done with. Now I can do whatever I want to do. So they're grown up, they're independent. I brought them up to be independent. So yes.
Fabulous. And I just wanted to ask you, what is your most beautiful experience being a mother yourself? It's just, overwhelming.
It absolutely is. Sachin, the best thing about, so my daughter's name is Kiara, and I keep saying that Mrs. World gave me a tiara, but my biggest gift is Kiara. She is my biggest tiara. And the most joyful moments of life are when I come home exhausted and tired. And when they were little kids, they used to come running to me and hug me. And, that joy which they had on their face when they saw me, that was priceless. I mean, those are the memories which I will always cherish as a mother.
Absolutely. That unconditional love a mother gets, that big hug from the children, I think nothing can beat that.
Nothing can beat that. Absolutely.
Nothing can beat that. Thanks. And how's your experience been over this whole contest, and, meeting these young mothers who some of them are going to be delivering very soon, and some of them are having their second child now. What do you want to say to them and share something that would do well for them?
Yeah, well, it takes me back into memory lane, and all I want to say is that all of you all are looking gorgeous. And the only piece of advice which I would like to give is cherish every minute, because the kids grow up too fast, and it's so joyful. Every minute, every moment of your pregnancy, of your little ones, some of you have young babies. Please enjoy every single moment. Trust me, time flies too fast. It's like
they grow too fast.
All, older, and then they're different beings, right? Then.
Right. The innocence sometimes it takes over from that worldly things that goes around them and make them worldly wise. And innocence somewhere, that little complete innocence goes with time.
Yeah, absolutely. And I would love to congratulate Dr. Mahima, because what she started is an excellent platform. This is the first time I had, when she came to me for this pageant, I'm like, wow, that's such an amazing concept. Because, pregnancy is a beautiful state of being. And to celebrate that in a form of a beauty pageant, what can be better? So congratulations, Dr. Mahima, on having this concept and actually making it happen, even though the times are so difficult.
Thank you so much, Dr. Aditi. In fact, when I used to participate in beauty pageants, a couple of years back, I always felt that, whenever I would be asked this question on stage, that if I win the pageant, what would I like to do for women in the society? And I always wanted to say that I'll come up with the pageant, which is only exclusively for mothers. And I'm so happy that today, whatever I had dreamt of, I had actually made it come true today, along with blessings and support of all, people like Dr. Aditi, Dr. Ali, everyone else, all the doctors, the co-partners, and this wouldn't have been possible without the support of everybody. So I am so happy that I've had this opportunity in this pandemic, especially in 2020. When people were probably thinking of how tough the year has been, and I'm glad that along with support system of everyone, I've been able to do something for pregnant and new moms in the year 2020 in this pandemic.
Honestly, it's been a beautiful journey so far, but in those 3.5 years, I hardly got any time to spend with her because my profession is such that I'm traveling most of the time. And even when he was born on 24th of March, and IPL was supposed to start on 5th of April in 2017. So I had to leave after 2-3 days. So, and whenever like I just go back home, I crave to go back home now to meet him. But once he was like 1 year old, and there was like for 1 year old, there was no school, nothing as such. So I was just making sure if I'm going to a nice venue, the family travels with me. So I used to take them everywhere with me. So wherever I'm going. So, and that actually made a huge difference in my child already. Like, he's going around, he's meeting different people from the different part of the world. So he started picking up things. So, which actually came as a blessing. So, and once I just go back home, like although being a sportsman, it's not a good thing, but I can't sleep early. So I sleep quite late. So when I came back home after the IPL, when he was hardly 2-3 months old, so I told my wife that now you sleep, bilkul aaram karo. And I used to be up whole night and just, lying down next to my boy. And my mother-in-law is a gynac. So she was like, he's not going to move. So you just, even if he's up, you just sleep. So I said, it's easy for you to say being a doctor, but for me, it's not an easy thing to do. So I used to be up whole night just watching him. So many times it happened that he was up whole night and I used to have breakfast in the morning and then go to sleep. So it's been a beautiful journey so far. So like in this COVID, actually for the world, it was not a very good thing, but you can say it came as a blessing for me because I was at home for 4 months. I had good enough time to, spend with him. Then again, after that, I went to Dubai for IPL and I was again out for another 3.5 months. So right now also I'm out. So, my profession is such that something or the other keeps on happening and I'm hardly at home. So I miss that time. Like, I don't get enough time to spend with him, but I make sure even if I have a 2 days or 3 days break, so many people, they try to stay back in the hotels and take rest after the training. But I calculated that, I have 3 days break. So that's going to be, So I think like it's like 72 hours. So if I go home and come back, it's going to be like 10 hours.
But at least
so
you get to
still get 60 hours to spend with him.
Exactly.
Yes. So that's.
Thank you for being here with us today. And I wish you all the more success in cricket. And I hope you reached like the 400 wicket mark as well. And,
I'm trying my best.
Yes. And I hope that happens soon for you. Wish you all the best for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Dr. Mahima, thanks for this Birthing Naturally Queen. And my advice would be, I'm just giving a suggestion. We don't know where, because this is going to go a long way because it is going to be online and it will really be going good. I have a feeling, Dr. Aditi, Dr. Mahima, maybe you all would be taking the final decision. We should separate the pregnant woman. One, pregnant in the same section of your birthing naturally could be 2 different segments. The ladies, the women who are pregnant should be taken separately, and the postnatal. So under the postnatal can be subdivided whether somebody was delivered with 1 child, 2 child, 3 child. So it all will go how well a woman can keep herself going, keeping in mind she wants to compete. So, it will be better if it is separated. And Sachin, you were great. I think so you were bonded, putting everything together and keeping us going. Piyush Chawla, it was nice seeing you. We have not met, but maybe you came quite late by the time I'm out, when I was out. But I wish you to break all the records and be a great,
Thank you so much,
example for all of us. And God bless you and keep in good health to serve the country for a long time to go. I'm wishing everybody all the best, all the participants, and looking forward for the best to win. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Dr. Ali. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for all our jury members today. Thank you for being with us today, taking our time and making this contest even more special. Thank you so much.
of Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1, I'm definitely on cloud 9. All thanks to my baby, my family, friends, and the jury, and especially Dr. Mahima, who believed in me and my potential to inspire and motivate other mothers around me. I'm honored and humbled to have been crowned with this beautiful responsibility of spreading awareness about maternal mental health. And it's a dream come true, as I've always wanted to do something good for the women and children of our society. And if I'm able to bring about a positive change in even one mother's life, I would justify my role as Birthing Naturally Queen. Thank you.
I'd always believed that I can have dynamic abilities when I become a mother, and this crown has made me stronger than ever. Maternal mental health is something which is not discussed enough in our society, and I've encountered so many young mothers sacrificing their individuality in their motherhood life, thereby falling prey to depression. This crown not only gives me immense strength and honor, but also a moral responsibility to uplift and encourage the maternal mental health of young mothers so that they can be empowered in their motherhood journey. I'm truly grateful to Birthing Naturally Queen for believing in me and coming up with a noble cause where young mothers can stay positive, happy, motivated, and embrace their motherhood journey. Thank you, Birthing Naturally Queen.
It really feels great to receive this pageant, and I would like to thank Dr. Mahima Bakshi for initiating and putting into force this wonderful, unique, and one of its kind pageant which talks about pre and post maternal mental health. Usually, maternal mental health is ignored by everyone. A woman herself ignores her health while taking care of her family, born and unborn child. This pageant has changed my views also towards the maternal mental health and empowered me towards the same. Now I too feel that a healthy mom, both mentally and physically, can give a birth and raise a healthy child and a happy child. I take immense pride to be called as BNQ Empowered Mom. Finally, I would like to thank my parents and my husband for taking care of me throughout the pregnancy and throughout this pageant journey. Without them, it was impossible to get this. Thank you, Dr. Mahima Bakshi, once again.